no, someone's kidnapped our beloved Recreation and Parks turkey, Tom. We have to find him before he turns into someone's turkey dinner. We know one of these Rec and Parks employees took Tom, and we know he was taken from one of these locations. We also know they used something to carry Tom away. We're pretty sure it was one of these items. Help us rescue Tom before it's too late. Search for clues at Piney Grove, Happy Hill, Little Creek, and Hobby Park. They're hidden along the walking paths, shelters, splash pads, and tracks. This game card will help you. You can get a copy online or pick up one at the parks. Solve the mystery and you could win this Rec and Park swag bag full of goodies. Email your solution to weplayevents@cityofws.org. Be sure to tell us how many detectives are in your family. Everyone with the correct solution will be entered into a drawing for the swag bag. Get your game card today at participating parks or download it at cityofws.org/turkeytom. Don't delay. Tom needs us. Help us find him through the end of November.